How anyone can profit from AI content in 2025. Check the link in my description to get this important tip. Alright, so you've probably seen the headlines, AI is taking over. But what does that actually mean for regular folks like me and you? Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on how everyday people, literally with zero coding skills, are using AI content hacks to make real money online in 2025. Let's dive in. Hack number 1. AI-generated faceless YouTube channels. No need for a fancy camera or even showing your face. These channels use AI to write scripts, generate voiceovers, and even create video clips. People are finding trending topics like AI mysteries, productivity hacks, and letting AI handle everything else. I've seen folks spin up channels in a weekend and start earning ad revenue within weeks. It's wild. Alright, next, newsletter automation. You know those cool email newsletters that land in your inbox with curated tips, news, or stories? AI tools can now research, write, and schedule these for you. Some creators are growing niche audiences. Think finance, parenting, cat memes, and charging small monthly fees, or making bank with sponsorships. If you love collecting interesting stuff online, AI can help you package it and profit. Now for my personal favorite, digital product creation. Want to sell ebooks, planners, online courses? AI can draft, design, and even help you market these products. I've seen people use AI to whip up beautifully designed planners in an afternoon and launch them on Etsy or Gumroad. No design degree needed, just a good idea and a willingness to experiment. But here's the real secret. The people winning big aren't necessarily tech geniuses. They're just curious, willing to try new things, and not afraid to fail. They find what works for them, double down, and let AI handle the boring bits. So if you've been sitting on the sidelines, worried you're not techie enough, trust me, you are. AI is not here to steal your job. It's here to help you create new opportunities. Start small, play with a free AI tool, test one hack, and see what happens. Who knows, in a few months you could be the next AI side hustle success story. If this sparked any ideas, drop them in the comments. I want to hear what you're thinking. And if you want more AI tips and hacks, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.